Beyond the first skirmish, the Horizon crew seeks refuge and finds an outpost on the edge of silence. Episode 3: The Outpost.
Station looks half dead, but half alive may be enough.
Secure dock and sweep every deck. No assumptions. Engaging mag clamps. Horizon steady.
Picking up faint life signs, flickering, unstable.
Outpost mainframe calling for help. Encrypted loop.
Power grid flickering. Drones will stabilize before breach.
Nyx reacts to outpost energy. Faint resonance, not hostile.
If it moves wrong, it drops. Simple. This place once served both sides, now haunted by silence.
Air toxic at edges, filters holding.
Mainframe whispering. Data corrupted, but alive.
Guides online. Stay close.
It glows brighter here, like memory stored in walls.
Clear so far. Too clear.
Station records show last transmission cut mid-sentence.
Even ghosts bend knee to me.
The abandoned outpost held a silent, chilling truth about its past. The derelict outpost stood in silent decay, a monument to a forgotten mission. They knew this desolate outpost held answers, but some truths were best left undiscovered. As they ventured deeper into the abandoned facility, a chill crept through their suits, a premonition of what might lie ahead. The crew ventured into the long-abandoned station. The silence stretched, a heavy blanket over the forgotten station. The derelict outpost stretched before them, a chilling monument to a forgotten mission.
The outpost was silent, but not empty.
They had arrived. The derelict outpost, a ghost in the void, held secrets waiting to be uncovered.
The outpost was silent, but not empty.
The outpost was truly derelict. The silence, broken only by the hum of their gear, felt heavy, pregnant with unspoken threats. They knew this place held secrets, but some were best left buried. The silence was almost as unnerving as the creaking hull, a constant reminder of the void outside.
The outpost shows signs of a rapid evacuation.
The silence of the derelict outpost was a heavy shroud, broken only by the ship's weary sighs. The crew moved deeper into the desolate outpost, each step echoing the silence of a forgotten past. The crew found themselves deep within the abandoned outpost, each step echoing the silence of a forgotten past. The silence was almost as deafening as the alarm, a stark reminder of the danger that lurked within these abandoned halls. They pressed deeper into the void, the silence a heavy shroud, yet something stirred within the metal heart of the station.
They needed to find answers, but what they would uncover, no one could predict.
In the silent vacuum of space, humanity's outposts stood as beacons of ambition.
The silence of the abandoned outpost was unsettling. The station remained silent, yet something lingered in the metallic dust.
The outpost remained silent, but the crew knew better than to trust appearances.
They moved through the silent wreckage, the echoes of a past civilization whispering tales of a long-forgotten purpose. They knew the outpost was abandoned, yet the silence was unnerving. They were now deep within the forgotten outpost, its silence heavier than any enemy they had ever faced. The air was thick with the dust of ages, the silence broken only by the whispers of a forgotten time. They knew the risks of deep space salvage, but nothing prepared them for the silence of a dead station. The outpost was a silent tomb, but something within its depths stirred. Their reconnaissance mission had led them deep into the forgotten sectors of the quadrant.
The silence of the void can be more terrifying than any scream.
The outpost, once a bustling hub, now lay silent, a tomb of forgotten dreams.
The desolate silence was a deception.
They had stumbled upon a forgotten corner of the galaxy, a silent testament to a past long gone. The silence in the derelict outpost hung heavy, broken only by the groaning hull. Every shadow The deep silence of the derelict outpost was a stark contrast to the distant drone. The silence of the derelict outpost offered no comfort, only a deepening sense of foreboding.
The outpost's silence were only blanket.
They knew the risks entering the abandoned station.
The crew ventured into the long abandoned station.
The silence here is unnatural, even for a long abandoned station. We must remain vigilant.
The outpost had clearly seen better days. The silence within it was unnerving.
Their mission was clear, but the silence of the station was unsettling. The crew ventured deeper into the silence, each step echoing the abandonment of a place once alive.
The outpost felt abandoned, yet something lingered in the silence. They continued to venture deeper into the abandoned outpost, each step bringing them closer to the unknown. Their scans provided more questions than answers, hinting at an unexpected discovery deeper within the ruins.
The mission was clear: investigate the silence.
The outpost was a relic of a bygone era.
This outpost.
Team moved with a quiet intensity, each shadow a potential threat.
The silence was almost as deafening as the vacuum of space, yet something lingered in the shadows of the forgotten outpost.
They were deep within the derelict, a place where whispers of the past met the unsettling silence of the present.
The outpost's silence was a heavy blanket, yet beneath it, a symphony of decay hummed.
The silence was almost as unnerving as the creaking hull of the derelict outpost.
The derelict outpost, once a beacon of ingenuity, now whispered tales of forgotten glory and impending doom.